Have you ever wondered what your body's ultimate thirst quencher looks like? What if I told you it's not found in a store, but in the comfort of your own kitchen? Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Clean Hydration. Today in this video, we will discuss rehydration drinks and how we can make the same at our own home. Let us first talk about hydration in the first place. Hydration is the cornerstone of health, yet in our busy lives, it's often overlooked. But what if I told you that there's a simple, cost-effective solution right in your kitchen? In this guide, we're diving into the world of homemade rehydration drinks, a healthier, customizable, and fun alternative to store-bought options. Not only will we uncover the science behind what makes these drinks so effective, but we'll also walk you through creating your very own elixir of life. Whether you're an athlete, someone with a busy lifestyle, or just looking to improve your health, this journey is for you. Prepare to revolutionize the way you hydrate. The science behind hydration. Before we jump into our main topic, it's crucial to understand why our bodies need hydration. Water is the essence of life, playing a pivotal role in every cellular function. From maintaining body temperature to flushing out toxins and aiding digestion, water is your body's best friend. But during intense activities, illnesses, or even on a hot day, water alone might not suffice. This is where electrolytes come into play. Electrolytes are minerals found in your blood that help regulate and control the balance of fluids in your body. The main electrolytes include sodium, potassium, and magnesium, each serving a unique function. Sodium helps balance fluids in the body, potassium prevents cramps, and magnesium is essential for muscle health. When we sweat, we lose these precious minerals, leading to feelings of fatigue, dizziness, and dehydration. The solution? A rehydration drink packed with these vital electrolytes. Why choose homemade? Nowadays, people often pick store-bought drinks for quick hydration, but these can have unhealthy additives and too much sugar. Making these drinks at home is better for you. Healthier choices. By making your drink at home, you control the quality of ingredients, ensuring that what you consume supports your health rather than compromising it. Customization. Tailor your rehydration solution to your dietary needs and taste preferences. Whether you need a low-sugar option or want to avoid certain allergens, homemade allows you to adjust accordingly. Cost-effective. Buying the raw ingredients in bulk can significantly reduce the cost per serving compared to pre-packaged options, offering both health and economic benefits. Ingredients for the perfect rehydration drink. Crafting the ideal rehydration drink is simpler than you might think. Here's what you'll need. Water, the base of your drink, providing hydration. Salt. A pinch of salt replenishes the sodium lost through sweat. Sugar. Glucose helps with the absorption of electrolytes in the body. Use honey or agave syrup for a natural alternative. Potassium source. Banana or coconut water can add potassium to your drink, aiding in cramp prevention. Magnesium source. Adding a dash of magnesium-rich foods like spinach or chia seeds can enhance muscle function. Citric acid. Lemon or lime juice not only adds flavor but also aids in the absorption of water, enhancing hydration. Alternative ingredients can be used to cater to specific dietary needs or preferences. For example, those on a keto diet can substitute sugar with stevia or monk fruit sweeteners. Step-by-step guide to making your rehydration drink. Number 1. Gather your ingredients. For a basic drink, you'll need 4 cups of water, 1 per 4 teaspoons of salt, 1 per 4 cup of sugar, the juice of 1 lemon or lime, and an optional potassium source like banana or coconut water. Number 2. Mix the base. In a large pitcher, dissolve the sugar and salt in the water. If using honey or another syrup, you might need to gently heat the mixture to help dissolve the sweetener. Number 3. Add flavor and electrolytes. Squeeze in the lemon or lime juice, and if using, blend in your potassium source until smooth. For those adding magnesium, finely ground chia seeds or a dash of spinach can be blended in at this stage. Number 4. Chill and serve. Refrigerate your rehydration drink for at least an hour, or serve immediately over ice. For an extra refreshing twist, add mint leaves or cucumber slices. Number 5. Customize your drink. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors. Adding ginger can offer digestive benefits, while berries can enhance the drink's antioxidant properties. Customizing your drink. The beauty of a homemade rehydration drink lies in its versatility. Depending on your activity level, climate, and health goals, you can adjust the ingredients. For a more calorie-conscious drink, reduce the sugar or opt for a natural sweetener. Athletes might increase the salt content slightly to compensate for heavy sweating. The possibilities are endless. When to drink for optimal hydration. Timing can enhance the benefits of your rehydration drink. Consume during or after intense exercise, in hot weather, or when recovering from illness. Listening to your body's cues for hydration is key. However, moderation is important. Too much of a good thing can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes. Staying hydrated is vital for maintaining health and wellness. With the knowledge and steps provided, you're now equipped to create your own delicious, healthy rehydration drinks at home. Not only are these drinks a fun way to stay hydrated, but they also offer the flexibility to suit your specific health needs and taste preferences. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in.